to a square. A square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 2 pairs of parallel sides. I labeled those pair 1 and pair 2. A square has 4 pairs of perpendicular sides. And a clue is because there are 4 right angles. So anywhere there are right angles, there are perpendicular sides. So here's 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, and 4 pair. There are no acute angles. There are no obtuse angles. There are 4 lines of symmetry. 1 vertical, 1 horizontal, and 2 diagonal. So 4 lines of symmetry. And there are 4 vertices labeled here with the red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square also has 4 congruent sides. So all of the sides are exactly the same length.